fun doing this one. This was just so much fun. Hey, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and this is the third week of the 30 days of Improv Quilt Along, and it has been so much fun so far. The first week was squares and rectangles, second week was polygons, this week is triangles. And I was really nervous, and I ended up just having a blast. I mean, after I put these two together, my nerves were gone. It was just so much fun. And then I decided to frame in my first improv triangle block. So back here are last week's. This is the second week with polygons. This is the first week with squares and triangles. And I've changed up my color palette each week. And this week I'm going with purple. So I've got, if you like the colors, I've got the link down below because they're just gorgeous. They feel great too. I don't remember what line this is. It could be Bella Solids. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But I'll find out. I'll put it in the link down below. And when I start cutting these, you'll see all the fabrics. There's 12 of them. Really pretty. Scrumptious. Scrumptious. But anyway, today was just cut triangles. Get used to it. So that's what I did, and it was so much fun. So I'll show you my process, and you can follow along if you want. Pretty simple. I've also got the links to the quilt along below if you're interested. So yeah, let's get started. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and you get notified when I put all these up, when I put up all my other fun stuff. I've got this quilt along. I've got this quilt along. This is a quilt that I'm going to be going through at the end of the month. This is just a preview of it. So don't mind these. It's not going to look like that, but yeah, just a preview. And box openings. I think I'm going to have a box opening this week too. So exciting. So let's get started. Okay, here we are, week 3 of the 30 days of Improv Quilt Along. First week we worked with squares and rectangles. Second week we worked with polygons, and this week we're working with triangles. So today they just want you to start to cut triangles and get used to working with them. And so I have chosen a new color palette of purples, and it's so pretty. This is from my Solid of the Month Club, and I will provide a link in the description below of this actual fat quarter set. I'm pretty sure it's still available if you like what you see, because these are gorgeous. But anyway, so again, back to being nervous, but I'm sure I'll get over it pretty quickly like I have before. I am going to pick out 5 fabrics and I'm going to start cutting. So I guess let's get started, see what happens. was a lot of fun. That's probably the most fun I've had so far. Doing triangles, it really wasn't that hard. I don't know, maybe I'm just a little more adept to triangles. I don't know, we'll see as the days come, but that was a lot of fun to do. I like how it turned out, and then I decided to frame it. To frame my first improv triangles into my 5.5-inch block. That's pretty cool looking, I like it. So that's day 1, week 3, where we're working with triangles, and today was just to cut triangles and give it a shot, see how you do, get used to those angles. This is 30 days of improv. I'm going to be doing this Monday through Friday of August 2022. First week was squares and rectangles, second week was polygons, this week is triangles. So hit the subscribe button, notification bell, you get notified when I put up my next blocks. And you can head back and check out my first 2 weeks of blocks. That was fun too. But yeah, I had fun putting this block together. I had fun making this video, and I'll see you in the next one.